After a successful Kickstarter campaign, the New 55 project has been working diligently to bring the product to fruition. And in anticipation of such, I've decided to make a video of how to disassemble, clean, and reassemble the Polaroid 505 land film holder. To clean the rollers is quite simple. The directions are right on the front. You want to make sure your lever's up at L, and you just open the compartment door there. Move the hooks on either side of the top roller there. Swing it away. You can wipe this down with a damp cloth. Get any chemicals off of there. You don't want to scrape it with anything. You might scratch your rollers. But to break it down further, you need to take the clips off the sides. Pry them off with the fingernails. Something similar there. Quite easy to remove. Top panel there. And when you remove the bottom part here, a little stop strip here will come out. And then you can clean the entire surface there, any spilled chemicals or extra residue there. Again with a damp cloth. And to reassemble, it's obviously the reverse of disassembly, but with one key step. This stop strip here has to be on top of these little curled springs there. So when you place it back in the indentation there, make sure the strips are underneath the stop strip. And you can hold it in place with something like a credit card and a rubber band or a hair tie or a paper clip, but something to keep that strip, the tension on those little springs there. Make sure these side springs are all in alignment there, and you mate the two halves back together. Like so. And you want to keep it together so it's all aligned properly. Stick that ear underneath the underneath there. Then you just put the clips back on. You want them oriented like this. They just snap on. Hook that bottom part on first, and then rocker it onto the top. Now you can remove the card and hook the rollers back on. Close it all up. Now what you're looking for after reassembly is the spring tension on the stop strip inside. And if you look, I'm hitting the R release button there. You need the tension to bring the stop strip back down when the R button is released. So, there you have it. Disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly. Hope this helps. And for more information on that New 55 project, please visit our website, new55project.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.